Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West. It comes in a Yeezy cardboard box with 350 at the top and Boost on the side. The style code is BY9612 and inside the box comes with shoes wrapped in beige Yeezy paper. No extra accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. I managed to pick these up on Yeezy Day August 3rd, 2022 here in the UK for the retail price of £200. It's good to see the OG stripe design colorway back. It features the black and red mixed priming upper with black SPLY 350 on the lateral stripe. Red Adidas and Yeezy branding can be seen on the black insoles. That all sits on a white Boost sole encased in black TPU rubber. I went true to size for a snug fit, but you can also go up half a size for a more relaxed fitting shoe. It's a nice punchy scarlet red which really pops, but this shoe is a pass for me simply because I already have the Bread 350 V2 which is very similar. Let me know your thoughts by commenting 2 pairs minimum, pick up or pass, and why in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please use my discount code 2pairs15 for 15% off at Liquid Proof for all your footwear and aftercare needs. Apart from that, have a good day.